Hey kids, how are you today? I'm good. Do you like cooking? I love cooking. Minnie the mouse, hello. Hello children. Minnie, do you like cooking? Yes. Oh, is it Mickey? Yes, this is Mickey. Hey Mickey. Hello children. I am Mickey the mouse. Mickey, are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. All right, let's cook something. Let's cook something together. Let's go. Are you ready to listen to a cooking story? Let's go. Minnie is going to cook something for Mickey. Mickey the mouse is very hungry. Mickey, what do you like? Do you like spaghetti? Spaghetti? No, I don't like spaghetti. Mickey, do you like pizza? Pizza? No, I don't. I don't like pizza. Mickey, do you like salad? No, yucky. I don't eat salad. Well, do you like cakes? 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 Yes, children. I love cakes. Cakes are sweet. Cakes are delicious. Okay. I will cook a cake. Are you ready to help me? Yes, let's go. Kids, I have some food for my cake. Do you want to see it? Look, here I have eggs. 1, 2 eggs. Eggs are brown. Eggs are smooth. For my cake, I have some sugar. This is sugar, white sugar. Sugar is sweet. We put sugar in the tea. I like sugar. And here I have some flour. Look, you can't eat flour. You put the flour in the cake. How many spoons do I need? For my cake, I need 5 spoons of sugar and 5 spoons of flour. Now, let's make a cake. Sasha? Yes, Minnie? Will you help me to make a cake? Of course. I am ready to help you. Step number 1. I take a bowl. This bowl is made of glass. It's a big bowl. And now I take an egg. This is an egg. What do I do with this egg? I crack it right into the bowl. Are you ready to do it with me? Let's crack the egg. Here it is, look. This is yellow, the yellow egg. Now let's do the same thing with the egg number 2. Are you ready? Crack! Wow! We have 2 eggs in the bowl. Oh, let's mix them. Mix. Let's mix them together. I take the mixer and I mix it together. Just like that. Wow, it's getting yellow. Really yellow. Now, we are ready for the next step. What do I need? I know. I need some sugar. I need 5 spoons of sugar. Wait, what is a spoon? This is a spoon. Let's go. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spoons of sugar. Let's mix it together, just like that, really quickly. This is the dough for my cake. Can I eat the dough? No, it's not ready yet. Let's add some flour. This is white flour. How many spoons do I put here? 5 spoons of flour. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 spoons are in the bowl. Let's mix it together, right? Ooh, this is the dough for my cake. I love cakes. Do you like cakes? Do you cook cakes at home? Okay, the dough for the cake is ready. Wait, what do we do with this dough? We put it in the small bowl and put it into the oven. Let's do it. I am ready. Wow, Sasha, thank you very much. Smells good. Let's put it into the oven, yeah? Okay, thank you. Let's go. Minnie, is my cake ready? Yes, Mickey. Are you excited to eat your cake? Yes, I am hungry. Give me my cake, please. Look, children. Here is the cake. Look, I put some strawberries on my cake. I put some oranges on my cake. Smells good. And what's this? This is tea. Tea for Mickey the Mouse. Do you want some tea? Yes, please. Okay, sit down. And here is your tea. Enjoy your meal, Mickey. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, children. Enjoy your meal. Children, did you like our cake? The cake is yummy. Make a cake with your mommy. Tell her, "Mommy, I want a cake. Give me a cake, please." Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, children. See you next time.